Hi everyone! So I went and I ran errands today and oh my gosh, everybody was out in the streets today. I could not wait to get home. So I stopped by Hobby Lobby because the other day I had hauled some foam and one of them was priced at $1.49, which was this light blue one. So I went to the exact same store and I actually kind of did like one of these things where I flip through them. And at the bottom of the pile, they did have the foam for 99 cents. So if you are looking for glitter for your Christmas crafting, I highly suggest getting the foam. It's cheaper than the cardstock. You get more. And it cuts beautifully with your paper dies. So that's why I picked it up. I am doing some little die cuts for my upcoming Disney cruise, and I'll share that with you guys in another video. So I needed to pick up more because I was already going through that first set that I got. So I think I picked up one of each, and then I got 2 reds and 2 greens. But this time I grabbed a silver. So all of these sheets were 99 cents. They measure, does it tell me? 12 inches by 18 inches. So this time I grabbed a silver because I was like, oh, that would probably be pretty for some snowflakes. And then I got black for like Santa's boots, green for Christmas trees, red for like Santa's outfit, and then white for snowflakes, blue for snowflakes. Here are the doubles that I got. Oh, I got a double white, and then the light blue again for some snowflakes. So yeah, if you buy these, like I said, these are 99 cents, but the cardstock right now is a 12 by 12, and those are on sale for $1.19. So this is definitely a better value if you don't mind using foam. I like it because it also gives like a little bit of a different texture as well. So I like that. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh my gosh, you guys, I had even forgot that I had bought these. It's been one of those days, I'm telling you. So did you guys know that they had Vellum in Christmas theme? Because I didn't. So in the single sheet section, with all the other cardstocks, they had little Vellum in like candy cane stripes. So these were 99 cents, and then they are 40% off today. So whatever that equals to, I'm not exactly sure. So I think I got like 4 candy canes. So that's those. Ooh, look, if you don't line them up, they like crisscross. Ooh, I kind of like that pattern, but if you lay them the exact same way, then you get your little candy cane stripes. Oh, that's fun. I didn't realize that. Then the other one I got was snowflakes. Hope you guys can see that. So snowflake vellum, these were 99 cents as well, minus the 40. So I picked up 4 of those. And then the last one I got was this one that says Noel Joy, sleigh bells ring, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. I think that's it. So this one has a gold shine to it. So this one was 99 cents minus the 40 for that one as well. So yeah, I had no idea. These are so cute. Okay, so somewhere lost in my mess, I probably honestly won't find it this year, I have a snowflake rosette die from Tim Holtz. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I would love to use that to cut, you know, some of this snowflake vellum. But whew, by the time I find it, it'll probably be next Christmas. So yeah, I'm not even going to bother trying to find that one. But I did want to do some rosette with these. I do have a different Tim Holtz rosette that I think I can be able to use for that. So I might use that for that. And then let's see, what else did I get? Oh my gosh, yes, I forgot that I had bought these too. Okay, so these were like just thrown with the Christmas stuff. So I know that these did not belong where they were. and they're so cute. I don't think I've seen them, and if I did, I overlooked them. So 50% off right now is all the Christmas, and the fall is 75. So these came out to $1.50. You get 12 of them. They already have beads on the top. They already come with a little twine, and look at how cute these are. So this says 1 1/4 by almost 2 inches. So I'm thinking that that's the tag size, because that looks about right. Almost 2 by 1.5. So cute. I want to paint these. I'll probably change out the top. Ooh, you know what? I should have bought some like red and white like little twine, and I didn't even think about that, because I would have liked that much better than this like brown. And I would probably paint these beads. So I have paint, but yeah, I don't think I have any red and white twine, so I probably should have got some of that. But yeah, these are gonna be super cute to paint and to go ahead and alter. So got those. And then I got a fall pack right here. So these came out to like under $2. I think they were $1.75. So originally $7. That is so expensive in my opinion. But like I said, fall is 75% off, so they came out to $1.75, which I didn't think was bad, and you get 48 pieces. So I grabbed 2 of those. I definitely next year want to do like some bumblebee projects, so I figured this would be great for that. So I'm gonna put those away. See, like I had done this little bee right here. So yeah, I just need to start putting my stuff away. And then I am going on my Disney cruise, and I wanted to pack one of these boxes that I get from Temu with Christmas beads and like little findings. So I want to stick these, you know, right in here, so that way it's good and ready to go. So I always get the heavy gauge wires from Hobby Lobby. So there are 2 sets. There's one that's regular, and then there's this set that says heavy gauge. And sometimes they're all on the same peg. So just look through them to make sure you get the heavy gauge ones. These are so nice. I have less problem of them, you know, coming apart in shipping. So I love these. So I got 3 of the gold, which I thought I got 2 and 2. I don't know why I got 3 gold. And then I got 1 silver. And you see this one is the heavy gauge as well. So there's 120 pieces in the silver one and only 100 in the gold one. So highly recommend those. Those are really, really nice. And then the last 2 items that I got, I think are new, because I know I had got the other ephemera packs from Paper Studio, but I don't remember these. So this one has like vintage little like labels that I thought are super nice. So these are $4.49 minus the 40% off. So how much is that? I don't even know. Like $2.50 maybe? I don't know. So I got that one. And then this one was like Paris and like stamps, and I don't remember seeing this one either, like a postcard. So I don't think this was what I had bought the last time. So I picked up those because I really love the little postage. So yeah, go check out your store. Let's see. So these say there's 50 designs. There's 2 of each for a total of 100 pieces. I think that's so good for some ephemera, especially if you like doing like vintage style junk journals. Like these are amazing because they come out to under $3 and you get 100 pieces. I think that's such a steal. So definitely go check them out. And then I forgot I did get a set of stickers here. These were $2.49, but these are Paper Studio. So these are not part of the Christmas. You see right here, it has to say Christmas for it to get the 50% off. If it's Paper Studio, it is 40% off today. So this one was only 40% off. So I'm not sure how much this one was, like, you know, $1.75 maybe. I have no idea. But I really liked the size of these because I thought these would be really cute to do like little banners. And then, you know, just put this on the little banner. And you can even cut them, you know, yourselves if you don't have a die for them. But I'm pretty sure I have a die somewhere in my stash that I could go ahead and pull out and then just do some like little banners with these little stickers. And you get 36 pieces. So I was thinking, you know, if I do decide, which I do want to do, is make some Christmas cards, I was like, right here with this one little sticker pack, I could already go ahead and get 36 little pieces for the banners for my cards. So I thought that was a really good deal. I like that they're in gold. If they would have had it in silver, I would have bought that one as well, because I do like doing blue and silver together for Christmas. So I'll just stick with the gold for now. So yeah, I figured that's a great little, you know, place to go ahead and start with making some cards. So that's my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.